Good afternoon, everybody. We are starting a very interesting workshop for a very fast-growing brand based out of Surat called Verified. Verified is in the clothing business, and with me is Mr. Meghal Pandya, who's the founder of this company and has driven the company to exceptional growth in the last couple of years. So, Meghalji, welcome to the workshop, and I'd like to hear from you as to why have you thought of franchising Verified, and what is your thought process, and what do you
Okay.
want? What is your expectation from this workshop?
Okay. Good afternoon. Thank you for inviting me. First of all, Verified we have started about 18 months ago. Okay. We never thought that we would be having this much sale and this much appreciation from customers. Okay. Customers have liked it from the very first day. Okay. And we have improved from them till now in 18 months in production, in category expansion, and in pricing. So our main goal is to provide a trendy and premium product to customers. Okay. And our starting price is only 100 rupees, which has boomed the all Surat, and we have received immense response from the customers. And right now we are running 3 stores in a same building. Verified has started its menswear at the 4th floor without any board, just word of mouth. Okay. And I don't see any clothing brand or clothing apparel at 4th floor till now. So customers have given us a very good response. Then we have started ladies and kids wear after 6 months of starting menswear in February 2024. In that also uh, people have given us a good response in men's after menswear, kids wear, and ladies wear. Then after 6 months, uh, very fast we have grown our ethnic store, in which we have sold 35,000 pieces of kurti in just 7 days. Why we have done it? Because we have created an offer of 999, 5 kurtis in 999 rupees only, and we have marketed in such a way that all Surat will come. So we were able to sell 35,000 pieces of kurti in just 7 days. Till now, in 1.5 years, we have improved ourselves so much in terms of product, pricing, and customer service. Our main goal is to provide excellent customer service. Even though we are giving them a better price, we have never compromised in quality. We have kept our margin very less, but still we are profitable, and customer have loved it. Now, why we want to do our franchising? Because so many customers are coming from, even from Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and 300 400 kilometers area just to buy our products. And many of customers have messaged us in Instagram that why you are not opening store in our city. So we have gathered their information. Every day 10 to 15 people are asking that I want your franchise in my city. This is from last 18 months. We have till now received approx 150 plus franchisee requests. But from last 6 months, we are working on our SOP, that if it is possible for us to keep a same replica in other city or other place or not. We have created our SOP, we have created our system, staff training, marketing ideas, displays, everything we have done in last 6 months, so that now we are joining Sparkle Minds, because I have found your reviews and online services, which is best. And our my expectation from Sparkle Mind is you guide us how we can create this franchisee model, because I don't have any idea about franchisee. I initially I was opposed to franchise model, because I think the dispute between franchisee and franchisor, I have heard it so much. Also, I have heard that franchisee can create many problems to the brand. in terms of product quality or some kind of dispute or customer service, they can damage your reputation also. But I thought let's try it out, and we will try our best that this won't happen. That's the reason we have hired Sparkle Minds, that you will help us to guide how we can make this replica in 1,000+ stores. So my goal is to open 1,000+ stores, where Zudio is having right now 542 stores. Westside and other brand like Aditya Birla Group have 4,770 stores, but not a single store. They have multi brands like Louis Philippe and all. But my goal is to open 1,000+ store in Pan India and create a fashion empire more than Zudio. So for that we need your help, that how we can do it. Okay, how we can create our business model so that the franchisee also get profit and we also grow profitably. That's our plan.
Fantastic, fantastic. So the potential of franchising a clothing business is huge in India. Okay, we've seen
Yes.
the demand that we get for a Zudio franchise in India is also quite huge. I mean, look at different categories of clothing franchises that we see, whether it is Manyavar, whether it is Louis Philippe, whether it is Peter England, whether it is Snitch, whether it is Rare Rabbit, whether it is all these new age brands and the classic US Polo and all of these brands. There's terrific demand for these kind of clothing franchises because India is moving very fast on the retail front. And what
Right.
you've just now explained about fast fashion and value for money fashion and trendy fashion, that's really in vogue, I would say. And people across tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 cities of India, consumers are lapping up these products and are loving it. And if you go closer to them, I think 1,000 stores is a possibility. There is a very, very nice possibility that we will be able to set this up in a couple of 2-3 years time. We should be able to get to that number, provided we are able to understand everything that we need to do to be able to build the franchising correctly for verified. So I'm going to help you understand all these challenges, all the disputes that you're thinking of, all the bottlenecks that we can face. We've helped companies scale up from 0 to 100 to 1,000. So we know the possible problems that they have at 100, and we know the possible that come at 500, and the possible challenges that come at 1,000. So we'll try and help you structure this correctly, set the foundation properly, help you work with the right franchisees initially, because it's very important to get the initial success. Set up the formula for yourself, and then that becomes the habit. Okay, and also the success of the first few franchisees will translate to success for other people, because they're going to speak to these existing first few franchisees who come on board. Anybody else who comes on later on will speak to these initial guys. So you need to be sure that everything is working in proper synchrony, everything is harmonious in function, and the franchisees are succeeding. End of the day, the franchisees have to succeed for you to succeed. And that's what we're going to help you do today. We'll start this workshop. I'm very excited to get verified off the ground. And I'm sure that we'll be able to build a great brand with whatever work you've done till now. It seems very, very. Thank you so much, Meghal. We'll get started with the workshop.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hi. We've just completed this franchise workshop for verified clothing. Very, very interesting brand based out of Surat. And along with me is Meghal ji. Meghal Pandya is the founder of the company. I'll straight away go to him and ask him as to what has been the key takeaways from this workshop, and whether his mind is now very clear from a franchising model perspective. Because in the morning he had a lot of questions, he had a lot of concerns, he had a lot of queries in terms of how this franchise model is going to operate, and there are a lot of challenges that franchising has, and he's seen those challenges. So, Meghal ji, what is your feedback and what has been the key takeaways?
Yeah, it was fantastic talking with you. And what I have learned from you is how to operate the franchisees network. Some myth I had before, but it's all solved up now. A few numbers and SOPs and how to operate the franchising network and all. So from your side, I have learned many things, and I think it's now for me it's easy to build a network. What I thought, and I think I will make definitely what I have a goal in my mind, 1,000 plus franchisee outlets, and with your help, I will surely. I'm sure I will make it.
Well, I'm also very confident. I mean, we've got a very strong base. The product that we have is fantastic. The customer acceptance is great. The only thing that we need to do is franchise correctly. And I'm sure after this workshop, you've got the fundamentals in place. We've got a basic foundation now created. From here, we'll build verified clothing into 1,000 store
Yes.
franchise model for sure. Thank you so much. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you very much.